Sade Pranam, Radhe Radhe. A very warm welcome to the day 59 of my YouTube channel, Dental Tips. Today's topic of discussion, today we're going to discuss in brief about tooth discoloration, also known as dental stains. Now, what is this tooth discoloration? Tooth discoloration or dental stains is abnormal discoloration, abnormal hue, abnormal translucency of a tooth. First, coming to the structure of a tooth. When we see the structure of a tooth, the outermost layer is enamel, which is very thin and it's very semi-transparent. Then we come to the next layer, that is dentine. Dentine is dense and it is yellowish in color and it forms the bulk of the tooth. And now the color of the tooth, the normal color of the tooth is due to dentine. It is determined by the color of your dentine. Now the innermost layer at the core of the tooth, that is pulp. Pulp is reddish and pinkish. And owing to rich vascularity, that is rich blood supply, but the color of pulp, it is not visualized on the surface of the tooth owing to the above two layers, that is dentine and enamel, unless and until the above two layers are worn off owing to some reasons. Now coming to the type of dental stains, there are basically two types of dental stains: external, also known as extrinsic, and internal, also known as intrinsic dental stains. Now discussing the extrinsic dental stains first. Extrinsic dental stains are when there are staining on the outer surface of the teeth. There are various reasons for it. One is lack of proper oral hygiene. When we fail to maintain a proper oral hygiene, we fail to do brushing 2 times and flossing 1 time, that is brushing after breakfast once and once before going to bed. When we neglect these oral hygiene habits, then plaque accumulated on the teeth when it is acted upon by some chromogenic bacteria like actinomyces. So in that case, it causes extrinsic tooth stains. Now another reason is that when we do not care to remove the dental plaque, timely removal of dental plaque, it gets calcified and it forms a very calcified layer, thick calcified layer called calculus, and that is yellowish, brownish and grayish in color, and it is formed surrounding the necks of the teeth and above the gum line. So that is also one of the cause of extrinsic tooth stains. Now another reason is, like, if someone consumes too much of tea, too much of coffee, too much of cold drinks, too much of sports drinks, then these also they result in extrinsic tooth discoloration. Then there could be consumption of too much of tobacco products, that can also result in extrinsic tooth discoloration. And these are the various causes of extrinsic tooth discoloration. And now we come to intrinsic tooth discoloration. Intrinsic tooth discoloration is when there is a discoloration in the inner substance of the tooth, and there are various reasons for it. One reason could be dental caries. Another reason could be dental fluorosis, and another reason could be internal resorption of a tooth, and another reason could be genetic disorders, genetic diseases. In those cases also intrinsic tooth discoloration results. And there are many cases responsible for intrinsic tooth discoloration. It could be trauma to the tooth, that is also one of the cause of intrinsic tooth discoloration. It could be root canal treatment. Sometimes root canal treatment also results in intrinsic tooth discoloration. So that's all for today. Thank you many folks for watching my YouTube channel. Jai Shri Krishna.